Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're going to change the carburetor on this Polun Pro chainsaw. So let's get started. Okay, so the first thing I did was empty the gas out of it since I'm going to be changing fuel lines and a fuel filter. Now next, you want to put the brake forward, take the 3 screws out. Those are flathead or torque screw. All you have to do is just loosen them up. Once they're loose, you should be able to pick this cover up and pull it straight off. Next, we're going to take this cover off here, pull your filter out. Next, we'll remove these 2 8mm nuts and this T25 torque screw. Once the 2 nuts and the screw is out, you're going to go to the side here, pull this forward, and pull out your throttle cable, just like this. Once your throttle cable is unhooked, if you pull straight forward just a little bit, bring this up, grab your choke, it should just turn right out, and just pull off. Once everything's out of the way, now you should be able to move this to the side. That way you can access the carburetor. So on one side of the carb, you're going to want to pull the gas line off here. And then on the other side of the carb, underneath the throttle, you're going to want to pull off this gas line also. Now once everything's unhooked, plus both your gas lines, you should be able to pull straight forward and this carburetor will come off. You have a rubber tube here that connects the carburetor to the intake. If that doesn't want to let go, it's just as simple as just taking a flathead screwdriver and just wedging it slowly towards you. And it should just pop right off. Make sure with the new carburetor that these match up. All the linkages and everything looks pretty much the same. We're going to take our rubber intake hose and put it on the new carburetor. Set the old one aside and put the new one on. Okay, before you put the new one on, I took the old gasket off, put the new gasket on with that little hole on the bottom. New carburetor. We're going to hook up our first gas line. And then our second gas line. Now, just in case you got confused, the gas line that is on this side of the carburetor will run down into the gas tank that runs to the fuel filter. This gas line here runs to your primer bulb, and on your primer bulb you'll have a long nipple and a short nipple. This will go on the short nipple. Okay, next we're going to put our choke back in. It will face down just like this. Should slide right through the hole. Work it through. And leave it set just like that. Put on our air cleaner box. Put on your 2 8mm nuts. T25 Torx screw. Now to reinstall our throttle cable. Real easy, just pull this forward, turn up, and tilt in, and she's hooked up. Next, air filter and the cover. Once everything's assembled, air filter's all back together and everything, we're going to put our top cover back on. Tighten up the screws. Now everything's back together. I'm going to put gas in it, and then we're going to go outside and test it. Alright guys, that's all there's to it. If you have any questions, hit me up in the comments, and thank you for watching, and I'll see you again next time.